I got some work to do. Hey. I'm on the 3rd floor again. Let me turn this fan off. Whew. I had to turn that fan off so you could hear me. Put this back here behind it. There's a dirt dog or wasp flying around in here. So I guess he and I are going to hang out today while I get some stuff done. Back there in that room is going to be, there we go, and that room right there is going to be my new office. I've talked to you about this before, but I'm really going to do it this time because I have to. So I got some stuff in the dungeon at the other building, and I'm going to put it in here. But first I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to put it in here and then put it in there. Plus I got a bunch of stuff in the front of the building, the other building, the dungeon, that I'm going to be bringing over here as well. So I've got to clean the 1st floor, the 2nd floor, the 3rd floor of this building. And I got some work to do down in the underneath of this building. I got to put in some support for the main floor. So I'm going to end up making some videos about that as well. I've got to get busy. Today, I got to get busy. Today, tomorrow, and the next day. And then next week, I'm going to have 5 days. And the week after that, I'm going to have 5 days. And the week after that, I'm going to have another 5 days. So I'm going to see what I can get done. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to get that little wine fridge right here. Right there. I'm going to plug that in and I'm going to clean it up. And I've got some bottled water and a few other things I want to put in there because I guess you can tell by my shirt, I am sweating and it's hot. It is hot. So let me get busy. I'm going to do a few things. I think probably what I'm going to end up doing is leaving the camera running while I do work. And then some of that I'm going to speed up so that you can see what I get done, but it will be sped up. So you won't have to sit here for 5 hours. You know what I mean? You don't want to sit, for a long time and watch me just move stuff around. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to do the 360 for you. All right. Whew. It's hot. I'm going to get that. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do some stuff. Where am I going to put it? Put some stuff over here for a little while. And this little fridge here, it's not very big. I mean, it just comes up to right there, but it's a nice little wine fridge. Has a good seal on it. I think I need to reconnect that seal. But yeah, it kind of popped loose. But I need to clean it. I got to clean it inside and out. It's got a nice little light bulb thing in here. But yeah, once I get it in there and I put these little shelves in there, then I can either have wine in here or sodas or water or my lunch. Keep it nice and cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to where I can get it. There's a plug over there. I probably should plug it in right over there. All right. So let me do that. Whew. It is hot in this place. figured I'd just go ahead and plug it in just to get going. That way it'll be nice and cold. Put my lunch in there. Put some waters in there. Let's see what happens. All right, it's on. It says it's 80. This thing says 87 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, see if it cools down. But in the meantime, I'm going to find some other stuff. I'm going to get some. Every time I try to talk, I got a truck goes by. Makes a lot of noise. Whew. Okay. Can you hear me? Hear it out. Hear it out. Hear it out. Hear it out. Okay. I'm going to have to find some spray cleaner for that little fridge. But I got it plugged in, and hopefully it'll do fine. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is see if I can get a close up. All right, I'm going to take this off my truck. It makes a lot of noise when I do that, but it's worth it. I dropped my rubber band. Dropped my rubber band. Okay. So, let's see if you can see that. Oh, you can see my reflection. You see what it says? 87 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit. But I can hear I can hear the fan going in there. So, but you can see how dirty it is. So I'm gonna have to get that all cleaned up. Yeah, I can feel the fans blowing. That's a good indication. All right. I got my lunch box. I got some stuff in it that's going to go in there after I get it cleaned. And you know what? Where's my camera? I got my camera upside down. Huh. Oh well. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this right here. I'm gonna play with my my cell phone and figure out which way this camera is supposed to be. All right.